heard of la galette des rois? If not, keep watching this video. You are watching France Culture on French Action, and my name is Jenny. Are you ready? C'est parti! Qu'est-ce que la galette des rois? What is la galette des rois? The King's Tart. Well, la galette des rois is a cake which is eaten on the 6th of January on Epiphany Day. Qu'est-ce que l'épiphanie? What's Epiphany? Epiphany is a Christian holiday which celebrates the visit of the three kings who arrived in Bethlehem 12 days after Christmas to see Jesus, the newborn baby. So, Epiphany is 12 days after Christmas, and it's also called in France la fête des rois. Roi means king in French. The three kings were not kings. They didn't have a kingdom. They were wise men. The name of kings was given to them to show that even the most powerful people bow before Christ. Quelle est la tradition en France? What's the tradition in France? The French make or buy une galette, which is eaten on the 6th of January. In that cake, there is a lucky charm called a fève, and the person who gets it in their piece of the galette becomes king, if it's a male, or queen, if it's a female, for one day. That's why a galette is sold with a paper crown on the top, as you can see in the picture here. Here's a picture of some fève. As you can see, these fèves are not that small and they are very hard. So you have to be careful when you eat your piece of the galette so that you don't bite into the fève and break a tooth. Those fèves usually represent people and animals from the crèche, but these days you can get anything, including movie characters. From a fève, we have what we call fabophile. Qu'est-ce qu'un fabophile? Un fabophile is someone who collects fèves. We have already come to the end of this video. It is a very short one, but I wanted to ensure that my subscribers know about this tradition, which is going to take place in a few days. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you have, you know what to do. Please like it, leave a comment, share it with others, and I'll see you next time. Au revoir et à bientôt.